Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a note sorting machine works in an easy step-by-step way. First, mixed banknotes are placed into the input hopper of the note sorting machine. This hopper holds the cash before the sorting process begins and prepares the notes for smooth feeding. Next, the machine starts feeding the notes one by one. Rollers inside the machine separate each banknote carefully so that only one note enters the scanning area at a time. This helps the machine avoid double counting and jamming. After that, each note passes through different scanning sensors. The machine uses optical, magnetic, infrared, and ultraviolet sensors to scan both sides of the banknote. These sensors help the machine read the note's printed details, security marks, and physical condition. Then, the machine checks the authenticity of the note. It verifies important security features to detect fake or counterfeit banknotes. If a note does not match the required security standards, the machine can identify it as suspicious. After checking authenticity, the machine recognizes the denomination of the note. This means it identifies whether the note is a small or large value note and also confirms the currency type. Next, the machine checks the fitness of the banknote. It looks for dirt, tears, folds, holes, stains, and other types of damage. This step helps banks decide whether the note is suitable for reuse or should be removed from circulation. Then, the machine counts and records the accepted notes automatically. As each valid note passes through, the machine updates the total count and value, which saves time and reduces human counting errors. After counting, the machine sorts the notes into different output pockets. Notes can be sorted by denomination, quality, orientation, or condition. For example, fit notes may go to one pocket, unfit notes to another pocket, and different values can be separated into different trays. Finally, suspicious, damaged, or unreadable notes are sent to the reject pocket. These rejected notes need manual checking by staff before any final decision is made. As a result, the machine gives three main outputs. Fit notes are ready for recirculation or ATM use. Unfit notes are ready for withdrawal or replacement. Rejected notes need manual checking. Overall, a note sorting machine helps banks and cash handling businesses count money faster, sort notes more accurately, detect counterfeit notes, and reduce manual work. It improves efficiency, accuracy, and security in cash handling operations. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.